Hi folks, my name's Dave Johnson. I'm a Master Certified e-business consultant. So please subscribe to my channel if you would, to receive any notifications of any future videos I bring out that you might be interested in. My channel's all about internet marketing and affiliate marketing, and I do lots of free offers. And before we go any further, guys, there is an extra special bonus at the end of this video where I'm going to give away some free traffic to any website or affiliate link. Okay, so hang on till the end of the video for that. So the product today on this video, nothing is going to cost you a penny, okay, or a dime depending on where you come from. So no PayPal is required, no credit card details or anything like that, okay? Everything is completely free, including the super bonus at the end. So, Elementor, that is what we're going to talk about today. So we don't want you wasting your money or your time on freelancers or expensive solutions. Whether you want to support your clients or you want to create sales funnels for your own needs, Elementor is the way to go. Elementor is one of the fastest growing platforms for building high quality pages and funnels with almost $0 cost. So what we've put together now is a course step-by-step video guide. It also has the audios and transcripts included, and this will teach you how to start building pages and funnels with Elementor. It gives you the exact steps that you need to follow in order to build your own funnels. You don't need 5 different courses to teach you how to do all that, or any advanced tactics or anything like that. You just need a clear step-by-step plan that you can copy, basically, and this is it, Elementor, and this course will teach you everything you need to know. Okay, absolutely fantastic, and I'm offering you that free of charge, no strings attached. Okay, a step-by-step video guide. How's that, folks? Okay, on to the bonus. So if you get this product today, I will also add an extra bonus. It's absolutely fantastic. I'm going to give you 50,000 free guaranteed visitors to any website of your choice. It can be a website, a URL of an affiliate link, a YouTube video, anything you like, a blog. Okay, so 50,000 guaranteed visitors. These will be drip fed over the course of about a year. Alright, they don't all come at once, and it's real traffic. Okay, so to claim all this, the Elementor course, the video Elementor course, and the 50,000 free guaranteed visitors to a website of your choice, no strings attached. Both packages will be free of charge, no PayPal, no credit card details whatsoever. Okay, so to claim these both, you need to be clicking the link below this video, okay, and you will get both of these packages for free. How's that, guys? Okay, absolutely awesome. Okay, so don't forget, subscribe to my channel please if you would, to receive any future notifications of any videos that's coming out. I'm always giving away free stuff. So give it a like, give it a thumbs up, share it, put a comment in the box if you like. Don't forget to claim both these packages. You need to click that link below the video, guys, okay? Just below there. So until next time on my next video, I'll see you all soon. Stay safe and have a great day.